What's up, guys? We're back with another video. We're in Atlanta, fucking called Hotlanta. We're already sweating, guys. We're actually already went inside to go set up and everything, and we have forgot that the mamalona was literally dirty. And we know it's gonna get dirty, pero pues cuando vas al baño, que no te limpias el culo, que porque yo sí, no se crean, guys. We always gotta keep it clean, you know? Bueno, guys, está la mamalona. We're washing it real quick. Pero no mames, $100 para un pinche lavadora, trampa. But guys, it's part of the game. You come to the show, you want to wait last minute, we gotta fucking pay the price. Pero guys, no pasa nada. Al desmadre se ha dicho. Alright guys, pues ahí queda la mamalona. Ya to the wash. Now let's go back into the show. Guys, look who we ran into. Krusty the Clown. Bro, we gotta cut that damn hair already, bro. I want you to look like Weddle, like a dyke. Look at his hair.
Alright, bro, cut my hair.
Okay, you gonna get your hair? Give me scissors.
Later.
Oh, shit.
But we're in bed. I mean,
oh, guys, you guys didn't have to hear that. Alright guys, so you guys seen the bracket that broke on the other video we had posted? You know, pinche bracket? It was already welded, they broke off, they tried to do another weld. Shout out to my boy, the follow, shop. Make sure you give him a follow, guys. I'll put his Instagram right here, you have to give him a follow.
around here, we're all family, no matter where.
Hell yeah, we all, trucking scene is a big ass family, and shout out to my boy. He literally put me a new one on, guys.
The pay from here to me, he's gonna sign it, I'm gonna keep it.
Hell yeah. Al desmadre, guys, ya saben.
Hey bro, you're not hot?
It's fucking hot, bro. I'm overheating right now, bro. My temperature's like at 350 degrees right now. Si le quito el radio, ¿qué? Por esto va a hacer all over.
¿Cómo?
Alright guys, pues ya se vino la hora. Al desmadre se ha dicho. I think Freddy's already in his way over there. Bueno, se vamos a lavar porque la pata va a andar haciendo así las cámaras. Guys, look who it is. Por todos lados. Who are you, bro? Who are you?
Scarface por todo.
Ah, cabrón, mira. Hey, Chusma, ven para acá, güey. Mira quién llegó. Is that trucking around? Oh my god. Danny, come here, bro. You want to say hi to everybody?
To who?
Oh shit, is it Freddy? Guys, don't forget, don't miss out.
June 18th, Freddy and his Sharkface.
What's up? Oh yeah, like my boy Dogmaster. Yeah, June 18th, you can't miss out.
From state to state, city to city,
City to city, state to state.
June 18, guys. The HUP track in Houston, Texas, we all gonna be out there. It's going down. We're gonna
Yup,
blow
we're
up.
gonna fuck shit up.
We're gonna blow up these my truck.
Guys, we're gonna be swinging Omar's fucking Miata, right?
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And the red one too, fuck it.
We'll wreck 'em.
Yeah, we'll wreck 'em. So, guys, we can start a new brand called Wreck 'em. Right?
Oh,
¡A la verga! ¿Does this one Burnout though? Hey, does this one Burnout or no? Pero dile, pero esta sí quema o no quema. Va a se quedar vergüenza como la otra. Sí quema o no. Guys, it's go time. Look at this shit. It's just popping. ATL. Y'all some real ones. This is packed as fuck. Let's go.
see it through the fucking. That's why I got out.
Hey, no pasa nada. We got it.
Oh no, I got it.
What do you want? Hey, you better flip that shit over, bro. You better. Hey, if you don't flip it over, you ain't having fun. Oh, all right, right now. We're gonna fuck shit up right now, bro. Shout out to my boy Costa. Got down with this shit, huh?
You got that.
No, you got down. Right? Okay, I'm with the throne. I'm gonna go fuck. Pinche greñudo, por parte de perro.
Dame ese chazo,
Hey, what are you doing, bro?
They don't listen, bro. Listen, keep put that shit.
I took out 100. I was about to pretend throw it. This nigga comes out, he puts out 2 and he really fucking throws them.
And you? And you?
I took out like 10.
Let's put up your shit, hola. I'm not listening, bro. No my mess. I took out the cinto, good, and everything, bro. Who has the chancla?
My chocolate's in the truck.
Si no le hacen caso a su papá, no mamá, no es caso a nosotros, güey. Guys, so they told us to help them out, kick everybody out. I know they get excited. What are you doing, bro? Watch out. Bro, you guys don't know what this is? Chivato bien latoso, trucking around. That's my boy right here. My boy Danny trucking around. If you guys don't know who he is, make sure to go follow and check out his page. My boy, I don't know who he is. Who are you?
Ah, soy el metido, para que me conozcan.
El metido por todos lados.
Por todos lados metido.
Agárramelo.
¿Te lo agarro?
Sí. No. Yeah. Te voy a llevar conmigo, güey. Guys, so we try to help them out. We try to help them out, push everybody over there, pero pues, si no le hacen caso a su madre y a su padre, ¿qué chingón le van a hacer caso a mí? No mames, güey. Like, they listen, guys, but we threw some money away. It's an appreciation. At least try to help out push it that way. But not like no, like $400, bro. Hey, take the money back. I'm kidding, guys. But we kind of helped out a little bit. They kind of pushed it back, so until everybody goes back, they're gonna let us burn out. So we're gonna go back in right now to blow the motherfucking tires up. A lo que venimos de allá saben. Hey, it's time to go, 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 go. There you go. Acosta, move. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Flip that shit out of the way. Sure. Blow that shit up. one is gone. Que Dios te bendiga, güey. Alright guys, we're actually gonna go back in there not to blow the fucking tire out. Or the motor, whatever comes up first. Alright guys, remember, safety first, all the time, safety first. We're going back in. Vámonos, vámonos.
What happened, bro?
Guys, we came to fuck it up. Oil compression just went. It's fucking hot though. That's why.
Up there.
It's hot. Who's from ATL? Where's ATL? Where's ATL? They have a pendejo in the passenger seat. That's why it doesn't swing, bro. Look at Jerry tweaking there. Look who's in the passenger seat. What happened last year? His truck caught on fire. Kick him out.
Hey, watch out. Come on, boy. Bro, my bearing is fucked up.
I told him you were good, Kudo.
You understand the fact you spin out more than anybody.
Bro, it's because I'm lighter, bro. I spin out, I'm lighter. Look at the way. You got traction. You got traction, nigga. You got traction. Right.
How much you weigh?
I'm like 150. So we got, guys, on this travel. Yeah, it's badass. Shout out to a bunch of here from Atlanta Truck Invasion.
We'll put it for the cat.
Put a badass fucking show out here. Guys, comenzó el desmadre.
I don't know, bro. They're crazy. Burnout's over here. I know what ice chest. Burnout's
More over here, more over here. ¡Chica su madre! ¡Ey, su puta madre! ¡Espérate! ¡Dale! ¿Dónde le go? ¡Wey! ¡Dale para allá! Ahí va. You know you my boy, but you know this nigga went crazy too though. Both of y'all niggas fired though, you know that. Gang shit, real ain't shit. I love you, my skinny motherfucker. Skinny, bro, he's skinny from me. You want a little tweaky from me. Hell no. That nigga farmer skinny on our side. Alright guys, pues after that little desmadre that cracking in the back, we're gonna go to the stage and a ver qué es más grande ya. Let's go see if we take some shots. Honestly, guys, put a Gatorade for the win. Guys, this shit is fucking packed over here nomás. Ay, hijo de puta madre, vale. Guys, miren con qué nos topamos. ¿Qué dice? Madre, que ahorita me subí yo a cantar a la verga. Ah, no se crean.
El día de hoy vino a clonar su motor número 1530. Para que no vaya a la balona, pero el motor es lo de lo que no vale. Para que no se vaya a llamar. Motor nuevo para la semana que viene, igual pedo. Así es, camina, en California. Las mejores personas from Cali, Hotlanta, real motherfucking place, my boy.
Hell yeah! Hello!
Uno gordo. ¿Y se van a sonar a mamá? Saludos para el suelo. Cuando me muera, como que agradecería que pusieras en mi copa.
¿A qué hora llegas, güey? ¿A huevo? Andamos aquí con el compa del carro, si no lo conocen, échese una, viejo.
Saludos para mi compa, para aquí andamos chingados. Saludos para toda la playa de YouTube, cualquiera.
La más chingona que trae.
Guayanguata, van por mi
primera plaza, demostré el talento, vieron que era una amenaza. Saludazo por toda la plebada, puro 602, viejo.
Puro smoke como la verga, ¿sí o no?
Así nomás.
Y el ganancillo está mirando eso, me pelo la dieta. No se crean, no se crean. Saludos, boy. Alright, guys, we're gonna end the video right here. She was a pinche madre. It was a hot day, but the hot day did not stop us doing this madre, guys. We came, we blew another motor at Atlanta Truck Invasion, guys. Shout out to all my people out in Atlanta. On our way back to Houston, we're gonna be going like this, guys. Hopefully those tires don't fall off, and if they do fall off, whoever's on the 10 freeway, you guys catch them, just hold them for me, and I'll come back and pick them up later on. Alright, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. We out.